There's a cop behind him, but I'm just gonna record this homie. Who's there? You're leaving now, or are you gonna stay a bit?
I'll stay for a little bit.
Stay for a bit, yeah. Warm that bad boy up. What is up, gang? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. We're on the 2-stroke. It's Florida. It's been rainy as hell, but we made it to a lot. We got homies here. We're gonna vibe out, bro. We're about to get wet, dude. I can tell you that. What's good, guys? How y'all doing? What's good, bro? So you brought your 50? Oh, you got the 50 out here today?
Yeah, 50's out here.
You brought your big bike too, or no? No. Oh. I think she's gonna let me ride it today, and I'm a little scared, to be honest. Like, as you know me, I haven't ridden many big bikes like that. Like, look at that thing. Just, oh my god, it's so heavy. It's a tank, dude. And in the water, bro. That's crazy. Like, whipping it in the water. Snazzy out here, bro. Yes, let's go. How does it feel in the water?
Huh?
How does the bike feel in the water? Look. It's not sketchy? No?
It's so heavy, it doesn't care.
Oh, really?
Unless you're like trying to clutch up and then
Yeah, I seen it like slid in the beginning a little. I was like, damn.
like, if you do it wrong, it'll like fucking fly over.
Ooh. It looks scary. a little slow drag on the truck. Yo, gang, this is a sick lot. As you see, it's wet, but you know we're gonna vibe. Ooh, my foot's a little slippery today, bro. Yo, it's definitely scary riding right now because, like, it is slippery. Yo, they have a porta potty, so homie can use the restroom for its 50, bro. That's awesome. On it, ooh! Bro, it's just so gnarly seeing these big bikes put in work, like, especially in the rain, dude. No, this is not the police, bro. There's a cop behind him, but I'm just gonna record this homie. Who's there? Damn, I guess we're getting kicked out already. Look at little homie. That shit's sick. Let's see what homie has to say. Bro, your boy just got here today.
I ain't have to do seconds, and then you guys are trying to do it while the day, so I'm not having any time out here for kids. I personally have no problem with it, but we're the business doesn't want you guys out here. You guys are kind of responsible for this, alright?
Alright. Hey, well, it was good, a good session. Yo. Oscar PD got a tracker on your boy or something, bro. Every time, bro. We just get here, and then we get kicked out. Alright, gang, we made it to another lot. Hopefully, APK PD doesn't come over on this side. But yeah, we got the homies with the sport bikes. 2 sport bikes, a little 50, a little 110. But woo, let's go, boy. Look at the view. Bro, low key, dude, look at this view. This lot ain't that bad, bro. I like a nice lot with a view. Let's go. Ah! That's nutty, bro. Oh, he can stand, bro. What the hell? Let's go. a stand up. Let's go. Just did no hands, bro. Bro, I ain't gonna lie, they're sort of growing on me. I know you guys said like you need to get a sport bike, and I said I never will. But they low-key, they've been growing on me, bro. Hey, you got it. You're gonna be like this, so it's just the back. Let's go. Bro, that's what seems so fun, bro. Like just being able to like drift around. I would love that. Cause I love swerving. You know your boy loves swerving. I mean, bro, just look at this thing, bro. It looks so like mean and nasty, bro. And I know a lot of you guys always ask me like, bro, when are you getting a sport bike? The only sport bike I would probably ever consider is the FC07 or the R7. But I like the FC07 because the position's a little more comfortable. Well, I'm just, you know, your boy's a dirt bike homie, dude. Like, you hear that? You can't do that on a freaking R7. You feel me? There's just something about these dirt bikes. It's so freeing. Like, you can literally like hit little jumps and stuff. You can go off-road, on-road. Like, I mean, they're made for off-road, so of course they can go off-road. But I mean, they can go on the road too. Like, bro, I'm riding in the rain right now. Well, not really, but in puddles. Yes, sir. Like, look how like just controlled that looks, bro. It's pretty gnarly, bro. I don't even think you really give it any throttle. Just little blips, and just keep it in that balance point. That was crazy, bro. You be doing some crazy things. Oh my god. Dude, them big bikes, they just sound so scary, bro. Man, I just want to say thank you guys for supporting me. I know the videos have been a little all over the place lately, and it's just because of the Florida rain and my crash and everything. It's sort of, I've been trying to get back on track.